Have you ever seen my videos and wondered how I make them? No? That's okay. Well, you clicked on this video, so today I'm going to teach you. Let's start with editing. The editing software I use is called DaVinci Resolve. I mean, it's pretty simple.
Kind of.
Next is drawing. I still use the painting program Krita for making my little guys. Krita is also pretty simple, not too difficult to use. Anyone could do it, honestly. Now let's talk about maps. Basically, to make a map animation, you have to have one before map and one after map. For example, this animation shows Germany before and after conquering a bunch of random countries. To make a simple map animation like that, you just have to place your before and after maps together and have a cross dissolve in the middle. A slightly more complicated map animation is a bit more difficult to make. So first off, you're going to want to have your before map selected. And from there, you're going to want to open it up in the Fusion page. Then go ahead and add your after map right in the middle. Just like that. And then you're going to want to select this thing called the polygon tool. It looks like that. Select that. And then it should revert back to the original map. And from there, you're going to want to not add a second one. I messed up there. You're going to want to trace the position of your original front line, so the troops before the invasion. And you want to make sure the beginning of your clip is selected. So you can see what I'm doing there. This is them before the invasion. Then you're going to want to move your little slider to the end of the clip. It's like a keyframe. And you're going to want to move that mask to the end of the invasion, and you'll see it moves to the end of the invasion, and I'm slowly invading all of the world like that. And you're going to want to make your shape slightly irregular so it just looks like a fun invasion. And if I go back to the original, look what happens. It slowly expands to get to that point. Beautiful. And that's basically it. I didn't go into much detail in this tutorial, so if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them below and I'll probably respond.
Goodbye.